In Waterford, where the river bends, the tugboats gather, we're with our friends. 25 years we raise a toast, watching the scene from the sky we boast. Drone shot media capturing the thrill, memories made on the water, perfect still. Cheers to the tugboats, cheers to the time, with country beats and a hip-hop ride. From dawn to dusk, let the good times roll. In Waterford, we celebrate the soul. The engines roar, the flags they fly, families gather under the blue sky. With each boat's grace we dance and cheer, a legacy built over all these years. The aerial views, the crowds alive, in this moment we truly thrive. Cheers to the tugboats, cheers to the time, with country beats and a hip-hop ride. From dawn to dusk, let the good times roll. In Waterford, we celebrate the soul. Crowds alive, in this moment we truly thrive. Cheers to the tugboats, cheers to the time, with country beats and a hip-hop ride. From dawn to dusk, let the good times roll. Good times roll. In Waterford, we celebrate the soul. Tugboat Roundup, forever in our heart. With every year we'll never part. Never part. Waterford town we gather round, celebrating 25 years of sound. With the tugboats cruising on the Hudson's flow, aerial eyes above capturing the show. From heights they soar, we'll never forget. These memories made we embrace with no regret. Raise your glasses high, let the good times roll. Tugboat Roundup's heart, forever our soul. With each wave that crashes, we'll sing out loud. Waterford spirit, forever we're proud. The engines roar as the colors shine bright, families together, what a wondrous sight. With each wave that crashes, we'll sing out loud. Waterford spirit, forever we're proud. The engines roar as the colors shine bright, families together, what a wondrous sight. Drifting through history, every harbor's name, together we cherish, we built our fame. 25 years, let the stories unfold, with laughter and love, a legacy bold. Raise your glasses high, let the good times roll. Tugboat Roundup's heart, forever our soul. With each wave that crashes, we'll sing out loud. Waterford spirit, forever we're proud. 25 years, let the stories unfold, with laughter and love, a legacy born, a legacy born. Raise your glasses high, let the good times roll. Tugboat Roundup's heart, forever our soul. With each wave that crashes, we'll sing out loud. Waterford spirit, forever we're proud. So here's to the future, with skies so clear. At the Tugboat Roundup, we'll always be here. Yeah. From high above, we glide and roam over Waterford's docks, we call it home. Tugboats dance like stars on a blue lagoon, celebrating 25 under the sun and moon. Drone shot media capturing the scene, history in motion, it's like a dream. Aerial views, tugboats in parade, Waterford's legacy we've proudly made. From the river's embrace, our spirits rise, celebrating 25 beneath open skies. Rusty hulls and engines, a sight to behold. Every tug a story in this tale retold. With the flags waving high, they sail through the years, each wave a memory filled with laughter and cheers. Roundup pride shines vibrant and bright, together we're stronger, hearts taking flight. Aerial views, tugboats in parade, Waterford's legacy we've proudly made. From the river's embrace, our spirits rise, celebrating 25 beneath open skies. Dreams are never done. In Waterford's heart, we're forever one. Out on the river where the currents roll, tugboats pulling hard, yeah, that's how we roll. 25 years of the Roundup cheer, Waterford's calling, we'll make it clear. With engines roaring and the sun shining bright, we'll lift our voices, it's a beautiful sight. Tugboat life, under the stars we thrive. In Waterford, New York, we feel alive. From the docks to the river, we sail our dreams. 25 years strong together, it seems. From dawn till dusk, we navigate the tide. Each tug's a story, with pride we ride. Fishermen and families gathered all around, celebrating life on this hallowed ground. With laughter and music we'll toast tonight. Together we stand, hearts feeling light. Tugboat life, under the stars we thrive. In Waterford, New York, we feel alive. From the docks to the river, we sail our dreams. 25 years strong together, it seems. For raise a glass for the crew on the line. Tugboat life's the best, it sparkles and shines. In Waterford, where the river bends, the tugboats gather, we're with our friends. 25 years we raise a toast, watching the scene from the sky we boast. Drone shot media capturing the thrill, memories made on the water, perfect still. Cheers to the tugboats, cheers to the time, with country beats and a hip-hop ride. From dawn to dusk, let the good times roll. In Waterford, we celebrate the soul. The engines roar, the flags they fly, families gather under the blue sky. With each boat's grace we dance and cheer, a legacy built over all these years. Aerial views, the crowd's alive, in this moment we truly thrive. Cheers to the tugboats, cheers to the time, with country beats and a hip-hop ride. From dawn to dusk, let the good times roll. In Waterford, we celebrate the soul. Aerial views, the crowd's alive, in this moment we truly thrive. Cheers to the tugboats, cheers to the time, with country beats and a hip-hop ride. From dawn to dusk, let the good times roll. Good times roll. In Waterford, we celebrate the soul. Tugboat Roundup.